and lots of them. Accidentally introduced in the early 1950s by the military, the brown tree snake has created an ecological disaster by eating the native birds on Guam. With no natural enemy, there is nothing to stop them. Today, almost all the native birds on Guam are extinct, rare, or uncommon. Bringing the birds back to Guam will not be easy. As green roof experts already building large green roofs on some of Guam's newest buildings, we wondered, are green roofs the answer? Can small, affordable, and easily deployed snake-proof green roof pods provide birds with a safe place to nest? We didn't waste any time and launched Phase 1 of the Guam Green Roof Bird Habitat Study. So far, we have built 3 different-sized green roof pods in an urban forest and are tracking snake and bird activity with motion-sensitive cameras 24 hours a day. Join us now for a tour of the research site and a sneak peek at plans for Phase 2.
Life is funny, skies are sunny, bees make honey.